Most luxurious neighborhood in Istanbul, Part 4. Gokturk. Gokturk is a hidden gem and a favorite amongst celebrities, offering a serene escape just minutes from the city center. Celebrities like Burak and Faria choose Gokturk as their home, especially when home is a stunning mansion. Gokturk defines exclusivity and luxury with its outstanding townhouses and exquisite villas nestled in the mountains, overlooking the breathtaking Belgrade forest. Surrounded by lush greenery, Gokturk is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers, featuring picnic areas, walking trails, and horse riding tracks. This ultimate community also boasts trendy cafes, designer boutiques, and private schools. Simply put, you won't find a reason to leave. Tell us which neighborhood to explore next in the comments below.